InText translation company is located in the geographical and intellectual center of Ukraine, the city of Dnipropetrovsk. Today, Dnipropetrovsk is famous for its metallurgy, aviation, space. This impressive background provides a unique opportunity for fast professional growth and a bountiful source of first-hand knowledge about all key translation fields of InText.
12 years ago, this company was founded by father and son, and now employees of several generations are working together in one team. Along with the modern translation tools, we are still using usual paper dictionaries and books of reference. It gives us much more possibilities, as still in Russian and Ukrainian languages, many specific subject matter materials are not digitalized yet.
In the huge variety of technical texts, aviation share is quite high. Most of the texts related to aviation represent the age of tomorrow science, technology, and engineering. First of all, translator has to find a response to a real challenge. What is the terminology base to be used in the certain text? They should find the right set of terms for description, especially in their native language, the innovative devices, processes, newly invented physical phenomena which take place when an aircraft component is produced, operated, or served. The solution doesn't come with the first attempt, but finally the initial couple of terms are found and confirmed. The work is done, and translator can enjoy contribution made into progress of new aviation technology in the country.
In the middle of July, the Antares rocket lifted off from the Cosmodrome at Volobsk Flight Facility in the United States to supply cargo to International Space Station. And I was a lucky guy to be there as a member of Yuzhny Design Office team and provide support to the space journey. That event once confirmed my vision that space stations or similar constructions to be built in a deep space or planets or asteroids will be the cornerstone of the long-term exploration and become the starting point in the case of conquer of the universe. Joint efforts of space powers and many other countries would give us an opportunity to make a big jump into the knowledge of unexplored territories.
Being a medical translator is indeed a challenging job. This kind of translation requires a very high competence and expertise, as a minor mistake can have devastating effects on patients, their health and well-being. The main trends of international pharmaceutical market and medicine are globalization, success of biotechnology, genetic medicine, orphan and niche drugs. Every year, translating of medical contents becomes much more complex. Nevertheless, it is a rewarding job because the most precious thing a person can have is his health.
Our quality management system is not something stable or fixed. It's alive. New challenges, new processes, new goals. It's continuous development every day. Of course, nowadays we cannot imagine any administrative system without its software shell. We've been developing our own translation management system for many years. It's called InTMS. Implementation of InTMS allowed us to make project management easier, keep our documentation in order, arrange clients and freelance supplier databases, and enabled to handle large volumes of information effectively and quicker. At the end of 2011, InText has been awarded ISO 9001 certificate for its language and DTP services. And early in 2012, we received our EN 50038 standard registration number. Now more than ever, we are being driven by our clients' needs. We are in line with their expectations.
Over the last 2 years, we have greatly increased our DTP capacities and are offering our clients a wide range of services. That is multilingual DTP, which includes, of course, our native Russian and Ukrainian, all European languages, hieroglyphic languages, OCR and preparation of files for further translation with CAT tools. Our experienced teams of in-house and freelance DTP specialists deal with various complex publishing software. We are mainly focused on 3 selected areas. They are Technical and Engineering Translation Group, including space, aircraft and helicopter construction, machine building industry, agricultural machinery, information technologies and telecommunications translation group, economic and business management translation group. For last years, we are also working a lot with medical equipment and medical studies. I think our clients choose InText because we are reliable and responsive, we are easy to work with, and because we care about both product and clients' needs.
We provide only translation services. We translate only into our native languages, Russian and Ukrainian. We work only for other translation companies. Such boundaries help us to focus on what we really do well. We work with clients who quite often help us learn their world best practices.